Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm here in beautiful Jamaica on vacation, and you know I don't keep all the good food to myself. One of my favorite things to do is whenever I'm back home is to discover and share authentic local food spots with you guys. Today I'm in a little community called Ramble. This is about 30 minutes outside of Montego Bay. This place is truly a hidden gem, and if you're looking for real Jamaican food, this is where you need to be. Everything here is cooked the traditional way over wood fire, giving every dish that rich smoky flavor you just can't duplicate. The menu is packed with authentic Jamaican favorites like brown stew cow foot, crispy fried chicken, brown stew fish, hearty stew peas, rice and peas, creamy pasta salad, fresh cabbage salad, perfectly fried fish, and much more. One thing I absolutely love about this spot is that everything tastes fresh and homemade, just like the food many of us grew up eating. And if you're thirsty, they've got you covered with fresh coconut water straight from the coconut tree, alongside with a wide variety of refreshing natural fruit juices. The atmosphere here is just as special as the food. There's plenty of comfortable seating where you can relax, enjoy your meal, feel the cool island breeze, and listen to smooth sounds of clean reggae music playing in the background. It's a peaceful, welcoming, and filled with nothing but good vibes. While we were at the restaurant, we ran into Miss Universe Jamaica finalist. Here's what she had to say.
We're here with Colette, and she is the finalist of Jamaica Universe finalist. Yes.
There we go. This is Miss Universe over here, finalist.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, pageant is on Saturday, July 4th at the ACC Hotel in Kingston.
Okay.
So we will crown the new Mrs. Universe Jamaica, Cosmo Queens, and Intercontinental as well.
Beautiful, beautiful. Right here. So make sure y'all come out and support. Vote for Miss Universe. Come out and support.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. You guys have a good day. It's called Jamaican Cooking Corner.
Jamaican
Cooking Corner.
Okay, on Instagram or TikTok?
On YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
All right. All right. Thank you. You too. Whenever I'm in Jamaica, this is one of the places where I always make a visit to. It's a local favorite and deserves to be shared. So I just want to share it with y'all. So if you're ever visiting this area, I highly recommend stopping by and experiencing it for yourself. I will leave the exact location in the description below so you can find it easily. Remember, in Jamaica, there's no problem. Only good food, great people, and unforgettable vibes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.